Hi, my name's Steve Novak, and I'm a automation programmer with over 30 years experience. And I'd like to offer my service as a freelance programmer, mostly with Rockwell automation products. I grew up in Canada, and I worked in the oil and gas sector of Calgary, Alberta for most of my career. And it was kind of the center of oil and gas activity in Canada at that time. Almost every engineering firm in the world and every oil company in the world had a head office. For the Canadian head office was in Calgary. And I worked in that environment for decades. So I got a really good education in terms of diversity of experience and major interesting projects to work on. And I'm living in the States now, and I'm looking for work that's on an as-needed basis only. And I can help your team with some of those tasks that perhaps your guys don't have time for. Building the control narratives, going through a PLC and auditing exactly what's going on with a particular process, building HMI screens, testing them remotely. I can also do control panel design, 24-volt design, using AutoCAD. So I can enhance your team, and only on an as-needed basis. And there will be no time wasted on tutorials or orientation. You can give me the project documentation on Monday, and I will start on your project that afternoon or the next day. And my rates are reasonable, and most of the type of tasks that I'm looking to do for you could be done remotely, with the exception of maybe connecting to a lab PLC to test some code in conjunction with an HMI. But a lot of this type of work can be done remotely, and that saves you money, it saves me time, and it makes the whole process a lot more efficient. So if this interests you in any way, I'd love to have a chat. Give me a call, and we can discuss your project in more detail. And I'm looking for a long-term connection that you use me only when you need me, and I have an access to a network of over 10,000 other professionals just like myself that if I'm not available, I can hook you up with someone else at the same time. So like I said, if you have a need and you need some help, let's have a chat. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day.